Hi, candidates, hi, CDA candidates. Today we're going to talk about journal entries. Now, I've noticed a few people are not getting all the points that you could have based on what you're submitting for your portfolio project journal. All right, so the first thing you want to do is divide your paper in sections. So where it says your summary of actions and activities observed, that should be 350 words in detail. So you're going to use your simulation video, and whatever you observed in the activities, you're going to place it here. Now, where it says learning theories and concepts observed, I've given you 7 learning theorists to choose from. Of course, there are many others, but the ones that I gave you, go back to your week 1 announcement and you'll see them. There are 7 key theorists of child development from Freud, Erickson, um, Piaget, Bowlby's, Banduras, Vygotski's, and some key takeaways there. So when you're looking to put your what are you basing your best practices, what are you basing your observations on, you should be picking one of these theorists to compare and to say how the activity that was presented that you discussed falls into one of these. Also best practice. That activity that you observed, what was the best practice based on the state federal guidelines for children in early childhood for that specific age that you observed? Now this week, it looks like we are observing our 12 to 18 month class if you're doing the simulation videos. Now remember, those videos are at the top where it says week 4 discussion. Right above that, that's where your videos are. All right, let's go back to our template here. Make sure you're using that portfolio project journal template in all of your journal entries, okay? I want you to get the most points possible. So you're going to divide that paper in sections. So where it says CDA competency goals, based on that observation that you saw, which one of those 13 CDA functional areas does it fall into? This should be 200 words in length. Okay, and then after that, 150 words, you're going to reflect as an educator based on what you observe. So you're going to write, like, as a future educator, I want you to consider how what you observe today will mold your planning and your actions in your future early childhood settings. Remember, this evaluation should be at least 150 words. And you're thinking about how your observations can be developed into a future action. Remember, we always want our goals to be actionable and attainable. What's something that you can actually do? I notice some people say, I can reach out to my director. Okay, what if she doesn't answer if she's too busy? Are you stopping there? So make sure that you're putting what you can do besides reach out to your director. There's tons of professional development out there. Take advantage of that. I'm sure each one of your states has a registry that teachers can go to get professional development. There's a virtual learning ports that you can go to get that, and definitely check out your early childhood organizations like High Scope, NACE, any local early childhood organization that offers professional development for the teachers. All right, guys, I hope this helps. Remember, you can reach out to me and ask the teacher, ask your instructor to get further clarification, or you can email me. All right, have a blessed day. I look forward to reading your papers. Bye bye.